Going today, guys. Try some water here, and as you know, frick, dead possum. Anyways, as you can see, it's another wonderful, lovely day in East Tennessee. JK, it's been raining all freaking day, and this sucks. It was nice and sunny during the week, during the work week. No, the weekends has to be, Saturday has to be disgusting, but hopefully tomorrow, Sunday is supposed to be better. Anyways, so right now, I'm gonna go, me and my buddy Colin are heading out. We're gonna do, like, just hang out for the evening, watch a hockey game and stuff. Don't know what I'm gonna get into this evening truck related, but we'll find out. If I do, I'll of course vlog it for you all. And then tomorrow, so we're gonna hopefully get a bunch of stuff done to the K1500 before I head down to Northern Georgia, or sorry, ATL next weekend to get the new wheels and tires, guys. Guys, I am so excited to get them. You all have no idea how pumped I am right now to get them. Oh, it's gonna be so awesome. But anyway, that's kind of the gist of what this weekend is gonna probably consist of. But yeah, Rod Run is literally not even a month, not even a month away now. Rod Run will be here very shortly. I cannot wait to see, to go to Rod Run this year. God, it's gonna be so much fun with all the buddies at the cabin. Oh man, it's gonna be so much fun. So stay tuned for a video coming out shortly on the Rod Run details and my plans for Rod Run weekend. A lot of you have been asking what my plans are that weekend. You all will be able to, if you want to meet up, most definitely you'll be able to meet me at the pre-party and the truck meet. I will be at both. But outside of that, I'm not sure. I gotta figure all that out because I do want this to be a little mini vacation. It's been a very stressful winter trying to get some stuff done and whatnot. But at the same time, you all are a huge part of my life, and I want to make sure that you all get this treatment and the attention you all deserve too. So keep an eye out for that, guys, but see where this weekend goes. Awesome. It's Sunday. Last time me and my buddy just kind of hung out, talked about some stuff, with the upcoming stuff with the truck meets and whatnot. Anyway, so right now, heading to Walmart to get some cleaning supplies for the interior of the truck. Then I gotta head to Home Depot and pick up some lumber for the, we're redoing the deck at our house, and my dad needed to pick up some more lumber. So, I gotta go do that. So yeah, the K1500's been putting some work. The Pavement Prince is gonna haul some 2x6s. I know I'm gonna get so much crap for that in the comments, but you know, it's a joke now. Everyone knows I don't use my truck for what it's made for, hardly ever. So I'm gonna play this off as a joke, guys. I mean, it is what it is. But anyway, so we'll see what this rest of the day goes. Just to, like, a kind of a quick poll out there, if you want to comment down below. Any of you all like just hate going to Walmart? Like, I don't know what it is. I just hate going to Walmart, but that's the only place around where I live that sells car care products and ammo, so I kind of have to go. But like, I just don't like going to Walmart. I don't know what it is. I just don't have any, you know, it's not something I'd like to do on my weekends, I guess. But comment down below if you hate going to Walmart or not. 10-foot boards, 6-foot bed. Let's see how this is gonna work out.
Yeah, make it rain, yeah, hurricane, yeah, baby, this a perfect time and a perfect place, yeah, I'ma make it worth your while, stay a while.
Ratchet it down, everything's good to go. Yeah, these are functional, guys. Everyone who doubts they're actually functional. I've had a 2004 Honda CR250R strapped in the back of the truck, so they're functional. So look at me, guys, I'm moving up in the world, you know, like, using my truck for hauling purposes for the first time in like a year and a half, almost 2 years. Haul something in the back, look at that. So proud of myself. Day on hauling a very, 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 very heavy load. Truck's doing fantastic, running great, RPMs are staying low. Everything's going great. You know, my 4 2x6x10s are back there. You know, they're really, really, you know, putting the truck through the, I can't do this, seriously. I know I'm gonna get some idiot in the comments that's gonna think I'm being serious right now, and they're gonna be like, oh my god, you need to track more for like towing and all that. And you know, guys, it's whatever. I use my truck the way I want to use it, and it hardly gets ever used as an actual truck, so it is what it is. But hoping to get the truck cleaned out today, because the interior needs to be cleaned out before I head down to ATL. When this video goes live, I'll already either be down in ATL or heading to ATL. So yeah, again, the wheels and tires on, guys. I am so freaking excited right now. You have no idea. I cannot wait. Guys, finally get to clean out the interior of the truck. Yeah, I got my shop vac, my carpet, deodorizer thing, my wipes. Haven't cleaned out in about 2 or 3 weeks, and you can, it's kind of showing. I hate having this truck, this interior, this dirty, but you know, with my crazy schedule, it's kind of hard for me to find time. So I found time. Gonna get this interior cleaned up, spick and span, make it look good, because it's about time. It needs it bad. After I get the interior vacuumed out all the way, I like to then come back with my spray stuff. I got this, it's called Turtle Wax Power Carpet Cleaner. I'm not sponsored by Turtle Wax, by the way. I had to come back and get all the stains out. It just keeps the interior clean and fresh, and it smells better too. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get the interior cleaned out, go from there. I get done with the carpet, scrubbing all that stuff out, I'm gonna switch over to the original protecting wipes. You know, just wipe down the truck, wipe down the plastic stuff. I like to work from the back to the front. That's just me though. It doesn't really matter how you do it, but that's just kind of my style on how to do it. Alright, the interior is all done, all cleaned up. I didn't have time to clean up the mats though, because, you know, it's one of those things I got some other stuff I gotta do today. But you know, this will be like the last video you're all gonna see her in grandpa form. You know, I'm really ready for the wheels and tires. I won't lie, like I'm really looking forward to it. But at the same time, I'm gonna miss the look of the grandpa, like the clean, simple look. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. But at the same time, I'm looking forward to the wheels and tires. Really looking forward to it. So, you know, it's just one of those things. But dang. Since my leveling kit's on the truck, my headlights are pointing up a lot more than they should be. So right now, I'm gonna adjust my headlights. What you gotta do, especially these aftermarket ones. I don't know about the original. I forgot about the original, but these aftermarket ones, you gotta take two of these like long rods out. I already took out the other side right here. Pull these out, and they got adjustment screws on the back. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt, but if you're running bright LEDs like mine, you don't want to get flipped off all the time and stuff. Might want to adjust your headlights, just FYI. Oh, God dang. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Headlights are now pointed down, guys. I'm gonna take it for a test drive tonight. Yeah, make sure when you lift your trucks, guys, as your headlights are down. My lights are already obnoxious because they're LEDs, you know, whatever. But, you know, it's a common courtesy thing to do. Just kind of give you all a little tidbit of information. Other than that, though, this is the part they replaced on the thing that was leaking, was this little guy right there. That was what was leaking the antifreeze, and it's fixed now, thank God. So, getting ready for the wheels and tires now. Whew. So close. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right now, but before we go, I want to answer a question I've been getting a lot. A lot of you know that I'm getting wheels and tires for the truck. I mean, that's obvious. You've seen all over my social medias and stuff like that, which is great. Just a lot of you have been asking though, of course, you see how the tires I'm getting are 420 Nettos. A lot of you have been asking why I'm going with 420 Nettos, why don't I go with a mud tire, why don't I go with this or that. There's a couple reasons. First reason, the truck is not going to be off-road. Never was, never will. There's no point in me getting a mud tire or even an all-terrain tire if I'm never going to take it off-road. The truck's way too clean, way too pristine as is. I mean, it has issues. It's starting to show its age at 21. I got to fix some trim issues and stuff like that, just trims and plastic pieces and stupid stuff like that. But as a whole, the truck never been abused, never been off-road, and I'm not planning on doing it unless it's like snowing out. Because, you know, snow videos are always fun. If I want to go off-road, I'll buy myself a beater truck to go off-road. But anyways, that's kind of why I'm doing that. Now, that being said, another reason why is because I do daily drive this truck. It is, that truck, anytime I go to an event, that truck is with me. So I have to have a tire that's comfortable to drive on, doesn't make a lot of noise, and stuff like that. So that's why I'm going with the 420 now. I understand your all's concerns, and I love the K1500's that are on mud tires. They look really, really, really good. Just this truck's not going to be for that, guys. I hope you all understand that. I want to thank you all so much for watching this vlog. If you liked the video, leave a like. If new to the channel, please subscribe. When this video goes up, I'll probably have the tires on the truck. So thank you all so much for your support. I know it's been a long road to this point, and trust me, it's been even a longer road for me, because I've only been doing YouTube for about a year and 3-4 months, and this truck, I've wanted to have a level for a while. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.